Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today is very important. We discuss how to record your tool in Google Earth. So it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe. If any query, please write a comment. So let's we start. Here is our Google Earth and we record video and we go to record tour and click here. You see here in downside your recording and we click here to record. Our record it started and we click here to any place. We click here any place already recorded. It's Great Wall of China. You see here China wall and next you see here 3D and next we click here to go. You see here your particular location and next we record it, we close it and we save it. Go to save and write here tour and OK. Here is your tour and if you want to see, click here and play here and we stop it. And if you want to save it, right click and save place as a tour. We save it. If you want to send an email, you right click and write here email and send it. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.